Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the complete 2025 guide on how to use Monday.com for recruitment tracking. First up, you'll want to set up your recruitment board. This is where you'll be tracking your entire recruitment process. The reason we start with this is because it gives us a clear visual of our hiring pipeline, from receiving resumes to making job offers. In your dashboard, click on Add New, then Board. Here, you can customize your columns to align with your recruitment process. Now that we've done that, let's populate the board with data. This involves adding all your candidates and relevant information. You can do this by clicking on Add Item and typing in the candidate's name. Then, you can fill in the columns with their details like contact information, interview dates, and feedback. This step is crucial because it helps us keep all candidate information in one place, making it easier to track and manage. Next up, let's talk about automation. Monday.com has a fantastic feature that allows you to automate routine tasks, like moving candidates to different stages or sending follow-up emails. You'll find this under Board Settings, then Automations. The reason we do this is to save time and keep the process flowing smoothly without manual intervention. Now let me explain why this matters. With a well-organized recruitment board and automated tasks, you can significantly speed up your hiring process. It eliminates the need for spreadsheets and sticky notes, making your recruitment process more efficient and less stressful. Finally, we have the integrations feature. This allows you to connect Monday.com with other software you might be using in your recruitment process, like LinkedIn or Gmail. You can find this under Board Settings, then Integrations. This helps us because it keeps all our tools and data interconnected, streamlining our workflow even more. And that's it, folks. In just a few simple steps, you've transformed your recruitment process with Monday.com. Remember, the key is to keep your board organized, automate tasks, and use integrations to streamline your workflow. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next tutorial.